We have laid our next section of boards in, and we will then just slide the clips through from the end. I find this is the best way and easiest way to do it. Counting out the joists, we have 7. I'm installing 3 clips at this end. Stuart has 4 at the opposite end. We have used the clamps to pull all of the boards tight, but we will check to make sure all of these boards line up together. If you need to loosen them off slightly, you can. If you want to go back to the first one. Both hook onto the same board that has been installed straight, and check the measurements either end to make sure that the outside of this new section of boards we're installing is straight. Also check it in the middle to make sure there isn't a bow in or out. We'll probably release that slightly. Like so. Now this outside of the board is nice and straight from the start, so we can install all of the screws.